Welcome back to Beautyistic. You know that moment when you're looking for mascara that not only builds volume, but gives you a dramatic look without the false lashes? Well, today, we're going to talk about Pupa Milano Vamp Mascara in shade 400 Amethyst Violet. If you're someone who wants full, thick, dense lashes with precision, this could be the game changer you've been searching for. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more honest beauty reviews like this one. Pupa Milano's Vamp Mascara is all about bringing volume to your lashes with a silky, creamy formula that glides on smoothly. It's designed to give you bold, dramatic lashes with just one coat. The brush is shaped for ultimate precision, allowing you to define each lash effortlessly. What's especially interesting is the formula's ability to build volume while keeping the lashes soft and flexible, rather than clumpy. In addition to the rich violet hue, it promises to define and restructure the lashes, ensuring an intense eye look that'll grab attention. It's also formulated with sensitive skin in mind, so it's gentle on the eyes without irritation. That's a plus for those of us with delicate eye areas. Now, let's talk about how this mascara feels and performs. First, I love how easy it was to work into my routine. The formula is smooth and non-greasy, and the brush gives you great control for layering. I tested it during a regular day and found that the mascara didn't flake or smudge, even in slightly humid conditions. What impressed me the most was the volume building aspect. It gave me fuller, more dramatic lashes in just one or two coats. Plus, the color payoff is rich and vibrant without being overpowering. And unlike some mascaras, it didn't weigh down my lashes or make them feel stiff. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to consider. While the precision of the brush is fantastic for creating defined looks, it may take a little extra time to fully coat each lash if you're in a rush. It's not a huge deal, but something to keep in mind for those days when you're running late. Also, the violet shade is stunning, but it may not be ideal for everyone looking for a more natural look. If you're into bold, colorful makeup though, this mascara adds a unique touch to your eyes. So, is this mascara worth the price? The formulation definitely justifies it. With its ability to build volume without clumping and the vibrant color that adds a twist to your look, it feels like a premium product. The sensitive skin-friendly ingredients are a huge bonus, making it suitable for most eye types. If you're looking for a bold, dramatic look with great definition, this mascara is a solid choice. But let's take a quick look at alternatives. There are a few other mascaras out there that offer similar volume-building effects, though they might not have the same precise application or vibrant color. If you're on a budget, brands like Maybelline or L'Oreal offer mascaras with good volume at a lower price point. However, those formulas may not have the same sensitivity-friendly features or the dramatic intensity that Pupa Milano delivers. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about something important. How well is the product built? The packaging is sleek, and the mascara tube feels sturdy, so I have no concerns about durability. The brush itself is well designed, and while the bristles are fine, they provide excellent control, which means you can define each lash individually. If you're loving this review, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this mascara, the link is in the comments below. To sum it all up, Pupa Milano Vamp Mascara is a fantastic option if you're looking for bold volume and intense color in a formula that works well for sensitive eyes. It may not be the quickest option for those on the go, but its performance and finish more than make up for that. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, especially if you love dramatic lashes with a bit of color. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this mascara, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.